Hey everybody, let's spend a little bit of time talking about nuclear reactions and decay series. Now, as opposed to single nuclear reactions where only one particle is given off, more likely what's going to happen in nature is that a radioactive isotope is going to give off several types of radiation, several types of particles in that process. Okay, and so it's going to give us several different types of particles given off, and it's going to give us several of those particles in order to do this. So here we have thorium, and I'm just spending a second to see if I can actually look up. We need that thorium-90, okay? And now in order to balance this, what we're going to say is that the nuclear decay series, in the series we're giving off 6 alpha particles and 4 beta particles. The coefficient in front of this number, keep in mind, is the number of that many particles. So here we're giving off 6 alphas and 4 betas. Now, the rules that we know about balancing chemical reactions still hold true, okay? That we want to make sure that the mass numbers add up and the atomic numbers add up. So here, if this is 90 and 232, okay, so at the top here, we have 24 plus 0, so this must be 208. Okay, now at the bottom, we have 12 plus a negative 4, and so that's 8. And so this goes down to 82. So now 208 plus 0 plus 24 gives us 232, and 82 plus a negative 4, because there's 4 of these things, and 12 because there's 6 of these things. 6 times 2 is 12. So now we have 12 plus negative 4 plus 82 gives us 90. And then we look and see what element is number 82, and that is lead. So the point here is we have multiple alpha particles and multiple beta particles given off in a chain, okay? And that nuclear series, that decay series that is being given off will eventually get us to something that is stable, okay? And lead here, Pb, is typically the target that most radioactive isotopes go to, that are heavy, the heavy ones, okay? And so it turns out that that's where things end up going, through their radioactive decay series, okay? They don't always have to go to lead, but that just seems to be a common thing. So when you have multiple particles being given off, you can also, if instead of writing this as one reaction, you could write this as thorium 232 90 TH reacts to form. You know, you could give off one alpha particle and find out what that is. Then you could take that, whatever that is, and then you could give off another alpha particle, okay, and then find out what that is, and then you could go down through. So you could do it stepwise if you wanted to, okay? So that's what happens when you have a series of radioactive reactions happening all together, okay? Yeah, have a good time with that.